Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus limits can be tricky, but we will master this continuity problem in under 60 seconds. Let us break down the graph and find the answer. A function is continuous at c if the limit as x approaches c equals the function value f of c. We look for points where this equality fails, so watch closely. At x equals 1, the graph is continuous. At x equals 5, there is a jump, so the limit does not exist. At x equals 8, the function is clearly continuous. Since only x equals 5 satisfies the condition where the limit does not equal the function value, option A is the correct choice. You got this. Keep moving forward now. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Avoid confusing limits by checking for jumps and verifying the function value at every point.